so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cup car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be.
How can us lose and miss the moment? You were just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm the vibe. It's your girl Gloria, and I'm back again with another video. And I hope you've already read by the title. Today I'm going to be doing what I can't live without here, and this video was inspired by Nella Rose. Yeah, go check this one. Yeah, so without further as much as I do, let's just get started. So I have everything here. I'm gonna show you what I can live without. So let's start. First of all, I'm just so sorry, but I can't live without my Bible. Like, yeah, this is my Bible over here. You can see I have a lot of stuff inside here. Let me be real here. I don't read it all the time though, but I do read it most of the time. And especially whenever that I'm sad or emotional, like whenever that I feel alone or something, if something happened to me, this is actually my friend. When I have this, I'm okay. Okay, I'm fine now. Yeah, so this is my Bible. I can't live without this. Yeah. Very, very important, very, very necessary. Yeah, let me just bring this to here. Yeah. And next thing is my iPad. Yeah, since I got an iPad, I love this thing very, very much. I love her so much. She's in pink. I have this keyboard. Hold on. Yeah, if you don't know about this keyboard, check this video out. Yeah, I love this iPad so much. It's so good. It helped me so much. I love it so much. It makes work very easier, and I have this pencil. Yeah, it helps so good. Yeah, this iPad is a lifesaver. Yeah, so you should go get an iPad. Very good one. Yeah. And the next thing I got in my bag, I can't live without this and this. Ask me why, and I'm about to tell you all. Sorry, the thing that I was having in my hair, I forgot. Let's say I got this. It's actually for piercing. Yeah, and I got this. I can't live without because I got few piercing here, and I got belly piercing too. So that's actually my favorite. I keep it around. Yeah, whenever that you come to my room, you will find this stuff very easily. Like, I use it almost all the time. Yeah. And next item is kind of funny, but I'm so sorry. I'm a grown-ass bitch. I still carry this to school. Ask me why. Because my dad wanted me to carry apple or maybe some stuff. You see this fork and spoon right here. I never use it. Yeah, but I have this with me. Okay, next item is this small bag here. If you're a girl, I think you might know automatically what's inside this. Yeah, so I got money here. It's money. So that's actually where I keep my bag, and I have this white wipers. Yeah, I have so much. Yeah, so that's actually it's money. Okay, this is money. Next item is my beautiful tripod. I love this. I'm using the small one right now. This is my favorite one. It's very big, it's very long. You can see the color, everything is so nice. Yeah. So next item is this lashes set here. Since I can do my own lashes, go check this video out. I got this. I've already used it, but now I don't need lashes on. But yeah, it's so good. I got this from Shein. Yeah. And since I'm talking about lashes, I got this small mirror. Yeah, I have this small stand over here. Yeah, it is the same as my iPad. I use this to plug my lashes whenever I want. Yeah, I'm watching myself. Next is this hand cream. You have seen it before. Yeah, in I think this video. Yeah. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. It makes my hands soft and nice. I love it, love it, love it. Yeah. And the next item, I got this small light. You know, I'm a content creator, so why not? This actually selfie with lights, and this is also like a light. You just clip it on your front top here. I always have it with me. Our next item is this nice, I call this jewelry box, but it's not jewelry box. I just keep my important stuff inside here. Let me show you what I have. Yeah. So first of all, I have my watch here with me. I have this nice bag. It's very nice. And I got this one too. It's very nice, and it says you versus you. That's it. Just me versus me. I got this. It's so cute. Yeah, that's what I have in this box. And the next thing I got is this hairband here. It's my favorite. I have it all the time with me. Yeah. Although I haven't braided my hair yet, but I still have these things. I love it. Next one is my lip gloss, new one. This is actually from aloe vera. Right? Yeah. I love it. So good. It's so good, and it smells good. Yeah. And last but not least, I can never go wrong with this. It's actually my AirPods. I love this one. Yeah. She's my twin. And next one is my fan, small fan here. I have this standing right here. And sometimes whenever you're watching a movie, you can keep your phone right here. Like, you can just put it like this and it will stand. And I love it. So good. It's nice. You can just do it like this, put it like this. You see. I just love this one. So good. Next one is my bottle here. It looks big, but I'm sorry. I drink water all the time, so I have this for me. Yeah. And last but not least is my skinny gal. I know everyone, like almost every girl have this thing here. I have this one too. It's so good, and it's very small. Like, it's not that big. You can drink from here and also from the straw side. I love it so good. And I love the color. It looks so cute. Yeah, I love it so good. That's actually one of my favorites. Yeah. So literally, this is actually all the stuff that I can't live without. Yeah. And that'll be the end of the video. I hope you enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in my next video. Peace out.